Good day, everybody. My name is Paul Akilusi, installer Paul on YouTube, Akilusi Paul Akilulua on Facebook, Akilusi Paul Akilulua on Instagram. This is another new installation that we just finished. It's 6 panels, 2 Tall Tubular batteries, and it's neither hybrid inverter. That is just to serve for the client house, mainly for electricity, and one small fridge and another small freezer. Next thing you'll be seeing now is the setup. That's I myself. So that's the setup. That's the protective circuit. That's the inverter, and we have the marine board. That's the battery rack. So on the protective circuit, that's what protect the input voltage, output voltage, the DC power. That's the knife changeover switch for the house that change between the NEPA and Gen, as we normally call it. That's our inverter. This is an hybrid inverter. On the screen you can see the input voltage 176, the output voltage, the solar part, as the energy is coming in from the solar panel. Currently we have 24 amps coming in from the solar panel. You can see the blinking sign that the inverter is charging. So we have our this is a Yohaco inverter, 3.5 kVA, 24 VDC system. You can see the temperature of the system itself, and from the board there you can monitor all the readings on the inverter, the input voltage, the output voltage, the solar capacity coming in, the temperature of the system itself. You can know much more about the whole system from the screen. You can see the volume of the energy used, the energy left, and every other thing about the system. So for more information, contact us.